So welcome back to MacArthur Industries here at Sandgate, Auto Electrics and Automotive. Here today guys, we're just giving a little bit of a video of a client that's come in to look at doing a bit of a roadworthy certificate on their trailer. Gone through, sometimes people forget that we can do this sort of work from with our Sandgate Auto Electrics and Automotive, go through with their boat trailers and make sure we repair those. Also got our metal fabrication business can help them do some repairs if needed. But these guys come in, as you can see, some new disc rotors, new bearings, also the brakes themselves, electric over hydraulic, stuff that we set up for a lot of places and a lot of companies in the area we can help you out with as well. So gone through getting the electric over hydraulic brakes working, which we've got up, and some wiring problems there, so we're sorting that out. Going through some new hubs, and also we had to go through and do a bit of wiring on the rear light. So please, if you need any work on your boat trailers or get any of your trailers from work trailers to some of your box trailers to back to the caravan sector, we're here to help you out. So please just remember us here at Sandgate Auto Electrics and Automotive. If you need to, jump onto our MacArthur Industries YouTube channel or some of our Instagram and Facebook channels, and you'll see this sort of work coming through and give you some advisory on how to do this. So anything you need to know, put it down in the comments below and we'll help you out. Have a great day and we'll speak to you soon. Thank you. Bye.